All right, this morning I'm going to check out a very small drone that is a beginner drone that looks identical to the Mavic Air. It's an actual clone of the Mavic Air, but a beginner clone. In other words, if you're trying to get into drones and you can't afford a Mavic Air or you don't want to crash one, well then you'd get something like this. It's called the X12 by Goolrc, and I'm just walking out here to my local park. And we're going to check it out. It's a little bit wind, so I'm going down into a little crater valley here. You can see it behind me. There we go. We'll fly it down here. So we'll check it out. So far it looks pretty promising. It's got an okay camera, has altitude hold, does flips from what I can tell. It flies for like 13 minutes, which is pretty good. And it has a range of about 80 meters, which I can't test out here because I'm using a GoPro. And if I go 80 meters, you're not going to see it on the GoPro anymore. Go fly it really quick. Here's the drone here looking exactly like a Mavic Air. And even the camera moves just like a Mavic Air, except there's no gimbal. You see it's quite solid here. It's got the little legs, and in the back you put the battery. Has no sensors on the bottom. It does have this here camera. It does have a spot for an SD card, but my unit is not made for an SD card. In other words, I have to record the video on my actual cell phone. Comes with a nice controller right here. These antennas are for show, but it still looks pretty cool. Let's just power this up. There we go. It's going to send out a Wi-Fi signal, and now everything's connected. There's the actual camera on the drone, and there's my cell phone connected, and we have video, so now we can go fly.
The good people at TomTop contacted me and said, hey, we have this drone that looks sort of like a Mavic Air. Would you like to review it? And I said, I'd love to. And here it is. So let's do a quick unboxing. The first thing in the box I see is this goodie bag. Let's check out what's inside. 4 very thin prop guards, screwdriver, and what appears to be landing legs and spare screws. Here we have the drone itself in a shape similar to the Mavic Air, but it's actually smaller than a real Mavic Air. Foldable arms, front arms fold out like this, and the back legs fold out like this. No obstacle avoidance in the front, but rather 2 LED lights. Anything in the back? Yep, a little LED light in the back. Camera's right here. It is movable, but you have to move it by hand. It's not done remotely. There is no optical flow sensors or any other sensors of any type on the bottom. Battery's in the back, and it slides out as such. Just going to slide the battery in a little bit and put the drone on the scale just to get the weight. 95 grams total. The drone comes with a controller. Pull this out, plop your cell phone in there. The controller takes 3 AA batteries, not included.
Now on the controller you have 2 buttons. You have takeoff and land. Let's hit the takeoff. And there we go. And let me just spin it around to look at me so we can check out the video, and I'll bring it closer, coming over my head. So how does that look? How do I look on the video? I'm not going to say it flies like a Mavic Air, but it's very well made in that it flies very easy for beginners to actually fly it. I'm doing next to nothing with the controls here. You can see it's right there. It's sitting nice. Now I'm going to change the speed on here. There we go. I'm in the 2nd speed. So this is more for outdoors now. That speed I was in originally was for indoors. This is outdoors. Yeah, see, I can whip this around. I'm flying the super fast here out in the field. I think it has one more speed. Oh, it does too. It's got a super fast speed. Let's try this one. Here we go. You ready? This is super fast. Whoa! That is all over the place. That is so cool. That really moves. I like that one. That is my favorite speed. Now, there's supposed to be a flippy mode on here. Let me just try this. I don't know where the button is. I'm staring at the drone, so I'm going to take a guess. Let's try this. Let's listen for this. Oh, I think I got it. There you go. I don't think the Mavic Air does flips. Let's do it the other way. It also has altitude hold. As you can see, I could just keep it at one spot. It does have headless mode for beginners. And as I mentioned before, it's got a 13-minute flight time, which is really amazing for such a small drone. So it has a land function too. And if I hit that right now on the button, right here, that should land it. It's just going to land with the wind. And there we go. Right, I got Tony here. He's going to try this for the very first time. He's interested. Saw him, he's flying it. Go ahead, Tony. There you go. So as you're flying this, for a $40 drone, what are your impressions?
It's nice.
Oh, you must have hit a kill button. But you landed on the grass. I am an expert with kill buttons, that's for sure.
Press the button?
Yep, press the up. There you go. Just so everybody knows, Tony does not have any expensive DJI drones or any other drones. He flies RC airplanes. That's a clone of the original DJI Mavic Air, and the Mavic Air is $799 US, and this is about $40 US. So what are your thoughts?
I like it.
All right, so I'm super impressed with this drone. It is actually really decent. It costs less than $50. I think it's like $40 for this drone. It's definitely well worth it for a beginner or for somebody that just collects drones that look like DJI or wants to fool people that they have a DJI drone. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm going to put a link to where you can buy this in the description below, and you'll see more drones and more reviews coming up. So for now, take care and happy flying.